flaws, bro. If it's not one thing, it's another.
Mira, mira, es plata, pausa, buscar mi cari, doña María.
Me gusta el hermano que cura.
Yo, Doña María.
Como el hermano que cura from India.
Donita, appointment, que man.
Una pinche, no, yo le hago la pinche limpia ahorita.
Oh,
La pinche limpia, mira, esa es la pinche.
Órale, de volada,
Check it out, Luis. Let's check if it works.
Ayúdame aquí con este carro, Diosito Santo, por favor, Diosito Santo. Diosito Santo, por favor.
Check him out.
No, porque pues todo está empezando a quemando la pinche carro. Si no, quemando, chingado.
Check him out over here. So what happened, Louis? What happened? Tell us.
What happened, Louis?
Yo, almost.
At the park, the fucking switch got stuck. It fucking three-wheeled. It was catching fire. It started leaking gas.
Oh
We
shit.
fixed that shit at home. That's why I showed up late to the here. And then we go cruising La Quinta. That motherfucker did the same thing. Now even worse.
I almost burned them. I almost burned them in the back
The
seat.
Jaina and the Prima.
In the back
But I wasn't
seat.
that lucky, so I guess they're with me still.
Yeah. Check it out. Check it out. Oh.
There you go. The humo.
Oh.
Stop.
Oh.
Stop.
Check it out, guys. Check it out.
Hey, if you guys need a limpia, hit up the homies. He's local.
Here's the primo right here. The primo.
Stop. Oh. A good limpia. And not limpia desde el culo.
Check him out, guys.
Oh yeah, hey, she's a sucia. She needs a limpia. Yeah.
Check out all these borrachos right here. Check them out. Check them out. All the borrachos right here. All the drunk guys. See what's up to TikTok with David? All the drunk guys right here. All the drunk guys.
No, David, no.
It looks cool.
What up, people? Hey, Red, Solito. I know why the limpia didn't work. We didn't fucking use the huevos, bro. We didn't use a huevo. Or a fucking chicken to sacrifice. Anyways, we gotta do it again. This crap is still broken. I wanna have it ready for Saturday. When you guys gonna come over and do this limpia?